Kula Wild Adventure Park in Sigatoka, Fiji. Kula Wild Adventure Park is Fiji's biggest family fun park and an ecological preserve in Fiji. It is located on Fiji's largest island, Viti Levu, near Sigatoka. The area was originally established as a bird park in the 1980s, but was bought by Kula Management in January 1997. With an extensive system of walkways through the park, and a wide range of attractions, the park is now a popular tourist attraction. The park is privately owned and operated. Its main focus is on providing fun rides and attractions for every member of the family. It is also active in the preservation of Fiji's indigenous flora and fauna, including reptiles, bird life, amphibians, tropical fish, the Fiji flying fox, Fiji's only native mammal, insects, butterflies, and a wide range of trees and shrubs. The park has also won Fiji's Excellence in Tourism Award 5 times since 1996. In addition, the park strives to increase environmental issue awareness and educate local children in conservation. The park regularly offers free classes in which children may learn about Fiji's environment, pollution, and conservation. More than 8,000 children have taken these classes. In 1998, 140 flora species were catalogued in a joint project between Kula Eco Park, the National Trust of Fiji, the Zoological Parks Board of New South Wales, and the Zoo Friends of Taronga Zoo. The park has established a captive breeding program for the critically endangered Fiji crested iguana and Fiji banded iguana. In 2004, the park achieved 2 milestones with the world's first captive birth of a Kadavu musk parrot and the park's first birth of a Pacific black duck. In 2007, in cooperation with the Biological Sciences Division at the University of the South Pacific, the park commenced a captive breeding program for the endangered Fiji ground frog. Nestled in a valley of coastal forest, the park is located off the Queens Highway near Sigatoka town. Initially established as a bird park, the park displayed typical aviculture species. Today, Kula Wild Adventure Park works in cooperation with the National Trust for Fiji, the Endangered Species Recovery Council of San Diego, the Parks Board of New South Wales, PBNSW, Australia, is a full institutional member of the Australasian Regional Association of Zoological Parks and Aquaria, RASPA, an honorary associate of the Royal Zoological Society of South Australia, RSSA. The heart and soul of Kula has always been the wildlife exhibits, the captive breeding programs for Fiji's endangered species and the free environmental education of Fiji's school children. But we've added a number of thrilling rides and exciting activities to make your wild side of Fiji experience even better than ever. Kula's Crazy Canopy Flyer is a thrilling zip down a roller coaster rail that descends from the forest canopy. Kula's Splash Mountain Jungle Slide is a thrilling, high-speed, wet and wild plunge through the forest. The Kitties Splash Pool is a fun-packed splashing attraction with multiple slides and sprays. Multiple Excellence in Tourism Award winners, the Society of American Travel Writers, SATW, ASO bestowed us the prestigious Phoenix Award to the park, the only one handed out in the Pacific. Kula Wild Adventure Park is Fiji's only wildlife park, endangered species breeding facility, free environmental education facility for Fiji's school children. The park is solely funded by guest gate takings, which help fund our captive breeding programs, our environmental education program. Funding is essential if Kula is to continue its work conserving and preserving the flora and fauna of Fiji. Wildlife in Fiji. Besides the flying fox fruit bat, Fiji has no naturally occurring land-living mammals and its native wildlife is otherwise made up of birds, reptiles, and insects. Introduced species, such as the mongoose, Herpes sauropunctatus, have caused the extinction or serious decline of many birds and reptiles in Fiji, some of which may have never been known to man before their disappearance. New species are still being discovered in these rugged and isolated islands, and some of the greatest discoveries took place within the last 25 years. Preservation and protection Fiji's wildlife, through research and education, is Kula Wild Adventure Park's primary objective. Endangered species breeding programs. We conduct captive breeding programs for some of Fiji's unique species. Our targets have been 4 of the most critically endangered species. Fiji's peregrine falcon, Fiji's Yaduataba crested iguana, Fiji's ground frog, Fiji's newly discovered monoriki crested iguana. To date, our success rate stands at 75%. Our aim is to breed and release a healthy population back into their natural environment. Example of successful endangered species breeding at the park. A few years ago, there were less than 40 monoriki crested iguanas remaining in the wild. In our first year of breeding, we produced 9 healthy juveniles through just 2 clutches of eggs. That's a 22.5% increase in the worldwide population, with more and more clutches every following year. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.